This vlog is going to be a very special vlog. It's our first Diwali in this new home and we have reached 500 subscribers. I wish, thank and welcome each and everyone who subscribed the channel. Welcome to the family. Diwali is all about love, light and positivity. Perfect way to celebrate Diwali is to decorate. In this vlog, I am taking you along as I decorate each and every part of my house. Whether you're looking for some decor inspirations or just want to enjoy the Diwali vibes, just dive in with me. diya, string of lights, string of flowers made this place feel festive. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed decorating this place. Thank you for being part of this special Diwali celebration. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. If you're celebrating and going to decorate, please do share your ideas in the comments below. I wish each and everyone a very happy Diwali and may this festival fill with happiness, prosperity and whole lot of love. See you in another interesting video. Until then, it's bye from Kitchen Clicks by Mano with love.